Are you struggling to pick a YouTube niche that you're actually passionate about and that also makes money? Well, you're not alone. A lot of people get stuck trying to figure this out and end up just giving up on their YouTube dreams. But the truth is that finding your perfect niche doesn't have to be complicated. And once you find it, you can create content that you're proud of and that actually makes an impact. In this video, I'm going to share with you my simple 3-step method to find your niche. And trust me, this is something that I wish I had known when I started my first channel. So let's dive in. Step 1, the passion test. First, ask yourself this: what could I talk about for hours without getting bored? You need to find a topic that you're genuinely interested in, because if you don't love what you're talking about, it will be really hard to stay motivated and consistent, which are two of the most important things for growing a successful channel. Next, think about your unique skills or knowledge that could help others. What are you really good at that others might want to learn from you? This could be anything from cooking to coding, makeup to marketing. It doesn't matter as long as you're good at it and others can benefit from it. And finally, ask yourself this: would I still enjoy making videos on this in 2 years? This is important because you want to make sure that you're not just chasing a short-term trend. You want to find something that you're truly passionate about and that you can see yourself making videos about for a long time. Trends come and go, but your passion should be a constant. Here's the big rule: your niche must pass the passion test. If you're not genuinely excited about the topic, then it's not the right one for you. You need to find something that you're so passionate about that even when the going gets tough and the growth is slow, you'll still be motivated to keep creating. Once you've found a topic that you're passionate about, here's what you need to do. You need to create content on it consistently. Consistency is key to growing a successful channel. Viewers need to know that they can rely on you to show up week after week with new videos on the topics they're interested in. And finally, you need to engage with your audience. Respond to their comments, ask for their feedback and suggestions, and build a relationship with them. Building a community around your content is one of the best ways to grow a successful channel. So what are you waiting for? Take the passion test, find your niche, and start creating the life you want with YouTube. And remember, if you're ever feeling stuck or need some extra support, there's always someone out there who can help you. Just reach out and ask for help. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and go after your dreams. The worst thing that could happen is that you learn something new. The best thing that could happen is that you change your life.